How to start a new chat on Telegram X. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start a new message. First of all, open the application. So now I'm in my home page. Here on the right bottom, you can see this pencil-like icon. Simply tap on it, and here on the top at the first option there is New Chat. Simply tap on New Chat. So here, select the person with whom you want to start a new chat. Here you can directly select the one, and here you can start chatting. So this is the chat inbox that you have. Here you can directly send the messages, and it works regular as a messaging app. Here you can even share different files and start working, and you're all set to go. So a new chat will be established. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you